Do you know it's been 16 long years since the very last file system was brought to the unstructured storage market, the same year that Finding Nemo and Old School came out?
So capitalizing on what NetApp and Isilon haven't been doing over that time, a company named Stellus created the next System 1 software-defined storage to solve the performance problem of how to store and scale unstructured information. And here with us is Ken Grohe to tell us all about it.
Thanks, Michelle. Stellus stayed in stealth for over 3 years because we had to make a perfect memory-native file system. We worked and partnered with some critical places. Number one, I'm here in DC. You can probably figure out the federal government needs a better file system. Number two, Hollywood, some of the delay on your next blockbuster before you can see it, they literally took months to go through post-production editing. And that's now down to hours, all because of Stellus. And then lastly, there's now human genome sequencing now being done in life sciences. They need an answer as far as the file system. There's smart factory going on, as well as the industrial Internet of Things.
So Ken, what makes Stellus so different from other file systems?
Michelle, 3 reasons: performance, consistency, and scale. Let me give you some details. Performance. All the other file systems can only do 4 uncompressed 4K video streams at one time. Stellus can do 16. That makes a difference for Hollywood in post-production, for you to get to your next blockbuster. On consistency, for the number 2 reason, we actually can keep the same latency as you add, all the way up to 1.5 petabytes, believe it or not, only 16 U's. That's less than a half of a rack. And lastly, as far as scalability, imagine a world where you could buy a car and upgrade from a 6-cylinder to an 8-cylinder in place without returning the car. That's what Stellus allows you to do, because we decouple performance from the actual capacity.
And finally, where can people go to learn more?
Please go directly to stellus.com.
Well, it's been great talking to you. Thanks for coming in today, Ken.
Thanks for having me, Michelle.